Today we have a brand new BMW 530i M Sport from a good friend and a personal mentor. Dumiretso dito straight from casa via flatbed to have a PPF installed. Also, binigyan ako ng client ng freedom to decide kung lalagyan ko ba ng clear PPF yung roof or black PPF. I think the black PPF will go very well with the car since wala siyang chrome sa sides at saka sa front ng kotse. I think it will give it a much sportier look. Okay guys, so kung kayo masusunod, anong pipiliin nyo? Clear or black? Clear or black? Comment down below kung anong mas preferred nyo, pero for this particular car, sorry, ako yung masusunod, so black na lang siya. Kung gusto niyo ng clear, bili rin kayo yung 5 Series. Pagawa niyo sa amin, lagyan natin clear.
Back too close, you ain't even know me. Trust my brothers from way back from the north. It's me and Dior.